So I went to the Supreme Louis Vuitton pop-up store and I picked up a couple of stuff, and that's one of them. I didn't get all the stuff that I wanted, but they only had like the black AP stuff, so I didn't have that's the dust bag that comes with the wallet. Oh, that's pretty heavy. That thing is heavy. So that's the wallet. So it looks pretty cool. You have the LV embossed. Like on any AP pieces, you have the same thing. It's always on the, I think, on the right. And then you have Supreme all around the thing. So you can see here the Louis Vuitton engraved on the buttons, snap buttons. And there you have also Louis Vuitton engraved on that. So you have like the coins department. I think, yeah, the booklet. So it says Supreme, whatever. Okay, so they tell you when the house was funded. Yeah, they don't tell. Do they tell you how to? Usually these booklets are for like care instructions. I don't see any care instructions. So inside, so you have the coins compartment. I don't know. Here it says Louis Vuitton Paris made in France. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slots for the credit cards. You have like compartment here. You can put something. I believe the same thing here. Yeah, and you can put some bills over there. I like it. I wait like 10 hours to get that and to get other stuff as well, but I didn't get the backpack I wanted. But that's pretty cool. I'm happy with it. It's very nice. Very heavy chain. And you have the LV logo like on all the AP leather pieces. I'm wondering if that part is gonna scratch easily. I mean, easily than the rest of it. I don't know. You have to be careful. And then you have the chain that you can remove. Very nice chain with the Vuitton engraved as well here. On the show, what they used to do, I mean, they had a guy wearing. I'm not sure if it was featured on the show, but I know they had some chains hanging from the jeans, so you can hook that on the front and that on the back. It's kind of cool. I would say it's like 9 inches, 10 inches. It's pretty heavy. It's like it's a good chain. And initially I thought that the wallet would be like thicker if once you put more stuff inside, but not, because there's like a space that has been made for that, I guess. If you fill up the wallet, it's going to take the space inside, because it's already pretty thick. So I think I have like normal size hands, not big, not too small. But that's cool. It's a cool wallet, very nice. I'm gonna put back the. But yeah, the line was crazy. Today is what? Today is Tuesday, and I got that on Friday. And when I got into the store, everything was sold out. No t-shirt, no hoodies, no backpacks. And on that day I got this wallet. I got the bum bag, the camouflage bum bag. And also didn't have any piece in red. Nothing. They're gonna get the red later, they said. And I also got the scarf. So maybe I'm gonna do a video on that. So that's it, guys. And also I paid 580 euros. So I paid 580 euros. I'm gonna get the VAT back because I live in New York. So once I leave France, I'm gonna do the tax. I guess that's what it's called here. The tax, and I think I'm gonna get like 20. It depends. Sometimes it's 12, sometimes it's 20. It depends on how much you spend, I guess, because it's not always the same amount. So I hope this is gonna get 20. It's been 20, so I'm gonna get more than 12, of course. So that's it, and yeah, tell me what you think. And if you got some pieces, tell me what you got.